The last video we were discussing about the 2-bit magnet comparator, and we have seen that your less than L pin can be 1 when this A is less than B. So when will you say that A is less than B? Your A1 bar B1 plus X1 dot A0 bar B0. Okay. So with this A1 bar B1 can be called as L1 plus X1 dot A0 bar B0 can be called as L0. Okay, so that is the equation for your L. Now, when will you say that this A is greater than B? A is greater than B when A1 is 1, isn't it? When this A1 is 1, A1 is 1 and B1 is 0. That is, your MSB bit has to be greater than B1 if A1 is greater than B1. Or what happens if A1 is equal to B1 when these two bits becomes equal, that is A1 XNOR B1. Okay, that is A1 equal to B1 means A1 XNOR B1. If that is equal, what happens? We have to check whether this A0 is 1 and B0 is 0. That is A0 has to be greater than B0. A0 has to be greater than B0. So we can formulate the equation as G is equal to A greater than B. That is A1 has to be 1. So A1 is 1. B1 has to be 0. That is why B1 bar. So A1, B1 bar. This is obtained. Or, so plus, what is A1 equal to B1? It is A1 XNOR B1. That is X1. Okay. And if that is equal, then you have to check A0 is greater than B0. So dot A0 has to be 1. So A0 and B0 has to be 0. So B0 bar. So this A1 B1 bar can be called as G1 plus X1. A0 B0 bar can be called as G0. So we got the equations for less than, greater than and equal to. Now we can implement the circuit. So this is how you will implement the circuit. A0, A1 and B0, B1. As per the equation, you are implementing this circuit. So you know that there's equal to is obtained as X0 and X1, isn't it? X0 dot X1. What is this X0? A0 X nor B0 and X1 is A1 X nor B1. So this is X1, that is A1 X nor B1. A1 X nor B1, you get X1. X0 is A0 X nor B0 and this X0 X1 will give you E, that is equal to. Okay, similarly you can get L as L1 plus X1 L0. Similarly, G can be obtained as G1 plus X1 G0. Hope that is clear for you. Now we can see how this 3-bit magnitude comparator can be designed. So 3-bit magnitude comparator means that your both bits will be, or your both numbers will be having 3 bits. That is A is A2, A1, A0 and B is B2, B1, B0. That is your MSB bit is A2 for A and B2 for B and LSB bit is A0 for A and B0 for B. And when we can say that this A and B are equal, when this A and B are said to be equal, when all the bits, that is A2 has to be equal with B2, A1 has to be equal with B1 and A0 has to be equal with B0. That is the condition. A is equal to B only if A2 is equal to B2 and A1 is equal to B1 and A0 is equal to B0. When can you say that is A2 is equal to B2? A2 is equal to B2 means that is A2 can be 0, then B2 has to be 0. B2 has to be 0. So A2 bar, B2 bar or A2, B2. That is A2, B2 or A2 bar, B2 bar. In other words, we can say that A2 is equal to B2 is A2 X nor B2. Similarly, A1 is equal to B1, we can obtain as A1 X nor B1. Okay, and A0 is equal to B0, it is A0 X nor B0. We are calling this A2 X nor B2 as X2, A1 X nor B1 as X1 and A0 X nor B0 as X0. So A is equal to B, which is equal to E, can be obtained as X2 dot X1 dot X0. That is equation for your equal to. Now when can you say that this A is less than B? A is less than B can be said when your A2 MSB bit has to be MSB bit. Your MSB bit of A has to be less than B2. So A2 has to be less than B2. That is the first condition. If and only if A2 is less than B2. How will represent this A2 is less than B2? A2 bar B2, because A2 has to be 0. A2 bar B2. Or what happens when this A2 is equal to B2? When A2 is equal to B2, then A1 has to be less than B1, isn't it? So you can write as A2 is equal to B2 and A1 is less than B1. That can be obtained as A1 equal A2 is equal to B2 is represented as A2 x nor B2, which is x2 dot A1 has to be less than B1. So A1 bar B1. Okay. Now what happens when these two pins are equal for A and B? That is, if it is 0 0 and B2 is also 0 0, or it is 1 1 and B2 is B2 and B1 are also 1 1. That is when both pins are equal. That is, if A2 equal to B2 and A1 equal to B1, then your A0 has to be less than B0, isn't it? So that can be represented as A2 equal to B2 is x2, A1 equal to B1 is x1, then A0 bar B0. A0 has to be 0. A0 is less than B0. So A0 bar B0. So we can formulate this equation. Sorry. A2 less than B2 is A2 bar B2. So it is A2 bar B2 plus this condition A2 equal to B2 and A1 less than B1, that is x2 dot A1 bar B1. So x2 dot A1 bar B1 plus, what about this condition when both pins, both bits of A and B are equal, then A0 has to be less than B0. So it is x2 x1 A0 bar B0. Now what is A2 bar B2? It is L2 x2 L1. This is A1 bar B1 can be called as L1. Now that is lesser bits of MSB, lesser bits of 2, lesser bits of MSB. L1 represents lesser bits of first bits. Okay, A1 B1. Now L0 is lesser bits of MSB. LSB, A0 B0. So x2 x1 L0. So that is the equation for your L. Now A greater than B. But when will you say A is greater than B? Your A2 has to be greater than B2. A2 has to be greater than B2. So it is A2 is 1, B2 bar. B2 has to be 0. Now what happens when A2 is equal to B2? That is, if A2 is equal to B2, that is A2 x nor B2, that is x2, then A1 has to be greater than B1. So A1 B1 bar. So x2, then A1 B1 bar. Now what happens when these two bits are equal? A2 A1 and B2 B1 are equal. Okay, if A2 equal to B2 and A1 is equal to B1, okay, that is, it can be 0 0 1 and can be 0 0 0. That is, if what happens when these two pins are equal, then you have to check whether A0 is greater than B0. A0 has to be 1. That is A0 then B0 bar. So x2 x1 A0 B0 bar. Okay. So we can be represented as A2 B2 bar is G2 plus x2 G1 plus x2 x1 G0. And now you got the three equations and you can implement the circuit. Okay, just like how you implemented your 2-bit magnitude comparator. Now there is an assignment question for you. There's a task question for you. Design and implement the circuit of 4-bit magnitude comparator. Okay, so 4-bit magnitude comparator means your A will be A3, A2, A1 and A0. Similarly, B will be B3, B2, B1 and B0. Isn't it? Okay, so when will you say that this A and B are equal? When A and B are it to be equal, A3 has to be equal to B3, A2 has to be equal to B2, A1 has to be equal to B1 and A0 has to be equal to B0. So when will you say that A3 is equal to B3? You have to say that A3 can be 1, B3 can be 1, or A3 has to be 0 and B3 has to be 0. Okay, and as the next step, it can be represented as A3 X naught B3. Similarly, A2 X naught B2. You have to please do not write A equal to B as A3 X naught B3 dot A2 X naught B2 dot A1 X naught B1 dot A0 X naught B0. You have to prove it. You have to write the each and every step and then come into the conclusion that it is A3 X naught B3, A2 B X naught B2, A1 X naught B1 and A0 X naught B0. Okay, so that is how your A equal to B is found out. Now, how is A less than B is obtained? If your A has to be less than B, your M must be A3 has to be less than B3. That is A3 bar B3. What happens when these two bits are equal? Then A2 has to be less than B2. What happens when these two pins are equal? Then A1 has to be less than B1. What happens when these three bits are equal? These three bits are equal. Then A0 has to be less than B0. Just like how you obtained equation for your 3-bit, you are extending to 4-bit manual comparator. You can do by yourself and just complete it and draw the circuit. Circuit design is must. So after getting the equation, just draw the circuit and then submit it on 22nd October before midnight. Okay, so that's it. If you have any doubts, you can call me or WhatsApp me. But please try to do it. Okay, thank you.